Hey there, pet lovers! Are you ready to transform your pet's health with some holistic tips? Let's dive right in. First up, let's talk diet. A balanced diet is the cornerstone of good health for your furry friend. Try incorporating high-quality natural ingredients into their meals. Think lean meats, fresh veggies, and whole grains. Avoid processed foods and artificial additives. Your pet's body will thank you. Next, exercise is a must. Just like us, pets need regular physical activity to stay healthy and happy. Dogs love long walks, playing fetch, and even agility training. Cats thrive on interactive play with toys like feather wands and laser pointers. Remember, a tired pet is a happy pet. Preventative care is also crucial. Regular vet checkups can catch potential issues early. Keep up with vaccinations, dental cleanings, and flea and tick prevention. A little proactive care goes a long way in keeping your pet healthy. Don't forget about mental stimulation. Pets need to exercise their brains too. Puzzle toys, training sessions, and social interactions can keep their minds sharp and spirits high. Lastly, let's talk about natural remedies. Herbal supplements like turmeric and fish oil can support your pet's overall health. Always consult your vet before introducing new supplements. So, there you have it. With these holistic tips, you're on your way to boosting your pet's health and wellness. Remember, a healthy pet is a happy pet. Until next time, keep those tails wagging and those purrs coming. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more pet wellness tips.